Hello everyone and welcome to the Creative Generalist channel. Today, we will complete the download and installation process of the official free trial version of REAPER, a DAW preferred by sound engineers for its technical flexibility. Let's get started immediately. Open your browser, type REAPER into Google, and enter the official site reaper.fm. REAPER is a visually simple software without much showmanship, almost like Audacity in flavor, and you can see this simplicity on their website as well. However, do not be fooled by this simplicity. The steep learning curve can be quite challenging for beginners. Before downloading, let's go to the purchase page to clarify a very important situation. Contrary to common belief online, REAPER is not free software. The developers offer a full version trial for 60 days without any feature restrictions. When the time is up, the program does not lock and continues to work. However, legally and ethically, you are required to purchase a license if you continue to use it. With that important distinction made, click the Download REAPER button in the top left. Select the Windows 64-bit version to download. The file size is only about 15 megabytes. This shows how lightweight the coding is. Run the installer file. Click I agree to accept the license. Leave the destination folder and components as default and click Install. It will install in seconds. Click Close and launch the program from your desktop. You will get an audio device warning on the first launch. Click Yes to go to Preferences. In the Audio System section, select ASIO if you have a professional interface, or WASP or Direct Sound if you don't. This selection is critical to avoid latency. When you close the settings, that famous license warning window appears. If you haven't bought a license, you wait 5 seconds and click the Still Evaluating button to open the program. This screen will appear every time you launch it. Congratulations, you have successfully installed REAPER. However, a significant critique is necessary here. Notice that even if dark mode is selected in Windows, REAPER's context menus still appear white and outdated. This long-standing theme inconsistency and the interface lagging behind modern standards is one of the program's weakest points. As you can see on the screen, the program works smoothly. However, there is a critical detail. Unlike other popular DAWs, REAPER comes with absolutely no built-in virtual instruments like pianos, violins, or drums. All the sounds you see me using in this video are free VST plugins I acquired externally. So REAPER comes completely empty, and you have to build your library from scratch. As we mentioned at the beginning, this situation and the steep learning curve can be quite challenging for beginners. In summary, you can save your project and export your work. Unlike FL Studio, REAPER does not place restrictions on the trial version. However, the lack of built-in instruments, interface issues, and the fact that it is ultimately a paid product remain. Therefore, if you say, I don't want to deal with external plugins or license warnings, I want a modern interface with ready-to-use sounds, we strongly recommend checking out our reviews of completely free and fully loaded DAWs like Waveform Free, Cakewalk Next, and BandLab on our channel. Additionally, while not a DAW, MuseScore, a free and open-source music notation program, is excellent for notation, composition, and arranging. We encourage exploring such tools to broaden your creative workflow, and similar content is already featured on our channel and will continue to appear in the future. Whether you're just starting out or already advanced, you'll find valuable content in our playlists. We're here to help you find the tool that best fits your creative process. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.